Hey guys, it's Gretchen from Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, and do I have a recipe for you to kick off the month of green? I mean March, but let's face it, we go from all hearts and pink and red to all green food this month, so it may as well be called the month of green. Lucky for me, that's my favorite color, so bring it on. I love me some green food, so this Grasshopper Cheesecake, aka the Creme de Menthe Cheesecake, is right up my alley. Lightly minted with chocolate mint sandwich cookies and creme de menthe liqueur. Yes, to answer the question right away, you can leave out the liqueur if you are alcohol free, and honestly the mint cookies with just a drop or two of mint extract would be totally fine. So check out how easy it is to make this recipe. If you are not yet familiar with me and my obsession with vegan cheesecake, well, hello, nice to meet you. I do love making vegan cheesecakes because number one, they are amazing, and number two, they are so easy. You just throw all the ingredients into a food processor and you are done. Literally minutes to make and just an hour to bake. But wait a minute, let me rewind. The recipe is listed at GretchensVeganBakery.com, and I am using vegan cream cheese, tofu, sugar, plant milk, cornstarch and flour, lactic acid that I actually decided later could be left out, creme de menthe liqueur, and the chocolate sandwich cookies. The crust is just more of those chocolate mint sandwich cookies, and I am using Newman's O's since we do have some debate about Oreos being vegan. At least here in the US, they technically are not because of the sugar that they use. But moving right along, you're going to add some melted vegan butter into those crushed cookies and then press it all into a greased and parchment-lined cake pan. The remaining crushed cookies get folded into the cheesecake batter and then all into the pan. You're going to bake it, cool it, and then unmold it. And one other wonderful fact about vegan cheesecake is that it unmolds from the cake pan like a dream come true. I don't even have to use my blowtorch anymore. And you guys know me and my trusty blowtorch. This is the way I like to really get my cheesecakes out. Boo! I so love my blowtorch, but it's just not needed here anymore. I then made a quick ganache with creme de menthe instead of using plant milk like normal, but whatever floats you, feel free to improvise here. And of course, that billowy coconut whipped cream makes everything better. I had some extra crushed mint cookies left, so on they go. And let me just tell you guys, this cheesecake is on point. Just like a New York style cheesecake, and I bet you will fool even your most staunch carnivores with this recipe. So head on over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab the recipe. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now. I almost said a Saint Grasshopper for a Saint, maybe I'll call it that, Saint Grasshopper Cheesecake. Oh God, people are gonna freak out, all the Catholics. What do you mean Saint Grasshopper? Oh wait, I do want to thank my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal for the continued support to offset the cost to make these videos and to keep my blog open. You guys are the greatest. And if you think you can help, just click the links below to check out my Patreon page and my PayPal. Alright everyone, thanks again for watching and I'll catch you later.